Neurotechnologies record and interpret cerebral activity. But what if they can actually transform your brain? This isn't science fiction, but new emerging techniques in neuroscience. With AI-powered neurotechnologies comes the question of how to protect our privacy. Should neurorights be enshrined and protected in the same way as human rights? These experts think the scope of proposals on the regulation of neurorights needs more clarity. They co-authored the report on the topic for the European Parliament's Panel for the Future of Science and Technology.
We are not saying that we don't need new rights, but not at the human rights level, so on secondary levels.
Any modification or addition to the human rights implies a redefinition of the concept of human being and human dignity. Such efforts lead easily to reductionism and also to an unjustified focus on the material and individual brain. So the human being is much more than the collective activity of brains.
STOA is debating the relevance of a legal framework for these neurorights, particularly with neuro-enhancement.
En fait, il faut se demander jusqu'où on peut laisser la technologie améliorer notre façon de penser sans perdre notre intimité et le contrôle sur nos émotions et notre mental. Il existe déjà une déclaration de la présidence espagnole de l'octobre 23, ainsi qu'un cadre juridique robuste concernant l'intelligence artificielle, mais il faut aller plus loin, donc légiférer à un niveau plus bas et plus détaillé.
Given that certain medical neurotechnologies are becoming available on the consumer market and in workplaces, there's growing concern that EU consumer and data protection laws need to be strengthened.